This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maduna. Wow, this is it. Move right into this spacious 3-bedroom 2-bath split and open 1,550 square foot of live floor plan. The home was completely gutted, expanded, and redone like brand new. Beautiful master suite with walk-in closet and exquisite bathroom with a walk-in shower and double vanity. Open kitchen with brand new cabinetry, quartz waterfall countertops and brand new stainless steel appliances. Impact windows and doors throughout the property. Detached storage building with electricity. 110-foot deep lot with room to build a pool, entertain or expand the storage room into living space. Shadowbox fencing and 479 square feet of covered patio. Every surface has been replaced including trusses, roof, electrical, and plumbing. Full laundry room, no HOA, and minutes from downtown Wilton Manors. Must see. For more information, review the details below or contact Maduna at 954-752-5100.